blast.
To demonstrate the air blast, our explosives expert is setting a charge which replicates what happens when you drop a bomb on top of a bunker. It's called a shockwave and results in an extremely rapid rise in temperature and pressure. All that energy is absorbed by the bunker's walls, which are thick enough to withstand the blast. Despite the power of the explosion, the effect is minimal. The question for the Allies was how to destroy a massive bunker, specially designed to repel attacks from above. They needed someone who could think weird. They found